raping, an inefficient system of attention. How are we going to diminish insecurity rates and help the population of the Duhnopolis be safe? We need to decrease violence in Duhnopolis. Dunican, Durango, Dunacruz, Dunero, and Duneros, we will gain a new tool that processes information when a victim is searching for aid, and it's able to help the victim by incorporating security systems, by integrating it to every police car. In violence situation, with peacekeeper tools will be coming to action. The pepper spray, sprinkles, and alarms. We present Duhn-Drone. Our objectives include creating surveys to get how to know how people live and how can we help them. Design a strategy, defining a budget, design and testing the Duhn-Drone, introducing it to the world and evaluating our results. If we manage to develop a faster way to get to the affected zone, then the felony won't be committed. With all these actions, we look for a safer country with first-class technology, security system, and methodologies. We will be able to diminish insecurity rates, help the population of Duhnopolis be safe.